do a little driving tour of the vineyard. These are Leon Merlot grapes right here. I haven't gotten into mow in there. And down the hill right here, these are St. Croix. The first section, St. Croix, and then going back are the Frontenacs. And what's happening is this forested part is shading out the eastern edge of those vines there, so they're not getting enough light. These are the King of the North that I pruned last week that are looking good. Let's go down the hill. I've been mowing. I pretty much have everything mowed here now. Good. We're even missing a bunch of plants in here. And these are the Frontenac. And they don't look too bad, really, in the middle here where they're not getting shaded out. They got a lot of vigor. It's just, you still got that autumn olive in there to cut out. But they really need to be pruned. I haven't gotten in here. Actually, they don't look so bad. Now these down here are looking really, really bad. They're especially overgrown by the autumn olive. These are St. Pippin. There's 3 rows of St. Pippin, and then there's 1 row of Svensson Red. He did that for pollinating purposes. So it goes up the hill there. I'm not sure how many plants, but they're looking really poor, really bad. So I got down here and mowed for the first time down here. It's been really wet, and I've been afraid to take the mower down here. I mean, look at it. It's like I'm growing autumn olive and not grapes. You can't even see a grapevine. It's all autumn olive. Back to the Frontenacs, and they're not so bad. They look okay here, but as we get up into this tree area, you can see how they thin out, and they're not getting enough light. Look at that. Especially the St. Croix. They almost look dead in the middle. Good though, they look nice and green. And now we come back to the front. These are the Concord grapes here. There's, I think 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 of Concord, and there's probably 15 in a row, so there's probably 60 plants, close to 60. Let's see, how are they looking? And they're looking here and start spraying for fungicide in here. Let's see, can I get through here? Yeah, there we go. Show you the garden area too. So we've almost come full circle. I have a new way to get to the garden. Gave this a real short mow. So this is all fenced in. It's got like 8 to 10 foot fence all the way around. There's grapes growing on the vines too. These are my pots that I've got set up to grow the artichokes here. So this is looking good. I gotta get these watered and get stuff in here. There's so much to this place. I want to show you another section of the garden, or right here. I got in here and mowed in between these for the first time. It was really high. It was hard to get in there. I'm glad I did. Now there's another section of the vineyard down this hill here. Right in here. So these are K Gray grapes. They can be a table grape. They're a green grape. I have them at home, actually. I've been starting to prune a little in here, and I got in and mowed all of this, too. I might have to back out the whole way in here. Probably easier. Almost a full tour.